At Biovencer, we believe nutrition is the future of preventive healthcare. With science at our core and quality as our promise, we deliver world-class nutraceutical solutions for domestic and global markets. Our corporate office is the strategic command center of Biovencer, where innovation, regulatory planning, and customer collaboration come together to shape globally compliant nutraceutical solutions. Driven by research and powered by innovation, our in-house R&D team develops customized formulations using clinically researched, trademarked, and globally sourced ingredients. Every formulation is designed for efficacy, stability, safety, and market differentiation. Quality begins at the source. Each raw material undergoes rigorous quality checks, identity verification, and compliance testing, ensuring only approved materials enter production. Biovencer's GMP-certified manufacturing facility is equipped with advanced technology, controlled environments, and skilled professionals. We specialize in powders, capsules, tablets, sachets, gummies, and functional blends, delivering consistency, scalability, and precision at every stage. Our packaging solutions ensure product integrity, regulatory compliance, and full traceability. From domestic distribution to export shipments, every batch is prepared to meet international standards. We don't just manufacture products, we build partnerships. From concept development to commercial scale-up, we support brands with flexibility, confidentiality, and long-term collaboration.
So we currently operate with 5 manufacturing units located in Greater Noida, and 3 of our units are located in Site 5 industrial area, and 2 units are located in NSCZ, which is a Noida Special Economic Zone, where we do most of the exports. Our vision is to be a globally admired company in the nutrition industry, and which we are very aggressively, our team and we are very aggressively working in this segment. And we hope in coming years we will be a globally admired company in this entire nutrition world.
Biovencer operates in full compliance with FSSAI, GMP, HACCP, ISO, and global regulatory frameworks, reinforcing our commitment to safety, transparency, and international acceptance. Biovencer, your trusted partner in nutraceutical innovation, delivering science-backed nutrition to markets across India and the world.